you doing? Check out what just came. Awesome. I need to crack open the box and we can get started inventorying all the parts. I've already peeled up the tabs, but let's pull open the box, and looks like it's packed really good in bubble wrap. Sorry, I'm trying to hold my camera and video at the same time. Awesome. Here's the plans. There's the packing list for the inventory list. I need to go ahead and set this camera down and start doing inventory. All right, let's get going. Let me turn this off. All right, I'm going to kind of show you how to do this checklist. So you find a part. We're going to look at this part right here. It's the hinge bracket 1 assembly. The number is RDAHG01-X-A-0. You come over here, I've kind of already found it, but right there, RDAHG001-XA0. Hinge bracket 1 assembly. There's one of those. So then, just take your marker, come over here and check it off. And just go through the whole plane like that. I'm going to go ahead and go through that whole plane and get that all checked off, and then we'll move on. All right. I'll take a little bit of time here and answer a couple of questions. Some people have asked, where am I going to work on this? As you can see, I'm in a unfinished shop that my brother's building. He's going to continue to work on that and hopefully finish it soon. Once the plane starts taking shape, I'm going to go ahead and get a hanger and finish it up in the hangar. But I'm going to do it at my brother's shop as long as I can. Hey guys, I'm still playing with this camera, so I'm trying to figure out this time lapse. I'll go home and see how that come out, but I've worked for about an hour and a half. There was a lot of distractions. My brother and all his kids come over to see the airplane, check it out, so I'll probably edit that out. There's a long time I was just standing around BSing, but so I don't know how much time I actually worked on the plane. Maybe 45 minutes of actual time, but it's getting dark outside. I need to go find my girls and get them rounded up, so we'll continue this video tomorrow. Hey, good night. Hey everyone, it's tomorrow already. We're back at it. Let's go ahead and get continuing on inventory in this thing. Yemel asked, how long does it take from order to delivery? Well, I ordered it, I flew down to Torrance and flew it in November. I ordered the kit in December, and I received the kit March 13th. The second question he asked is, what are your thoughts about adding anti-ice system? I don't think I'm going to add anti-ice system into this plane. There's three types of anti-ice system. As far as I know, a bladder on the wing, which you need, that's going to add a lot of weight. A heating element, which I don't know if there's anything for the small of an airplane, or like the fluid emitting system, like the TKS system. That may be an option, but I don't think I'm going to go that route. All right, I just finished up doing the inventory. There were 2 items that were missing, but on here they have them as back ordered, so I don't know when they're going to be coming in. But I'm missing the elevator tip, the composite part. There's 2 pieces that go on the end of the elevator. I'm also missing an elevator hinge bracket 2. There's 2 of those as well, and looks like they're both back ordered. I'm just looking through here. Oh, and I never did order the optional extra VOR antenna that has all the brackets and grommets and cable and stuff for the VOR, so I'm gonna have to probably order that because I want a VOR in mine as well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hey, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. If you want to be notified of future videos, go ahead and hit that bell. Thanks guys, I'll see you next week.